how to add emojis to Outlook email. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add emojis in Outlook to make your emails look more fun and engaging. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open Outlook and click New Email to start composing a message. Go ahead and fill in the recipient's email address and type a subject line. Now, when you're ready to insert an emoji, place your cursor where you want it to appear in the email body. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the period or full stop key at the same time. This will open up the emoji picker window right on your screen. You'll see a variety of emojis you can browse through. Simply click on the emoji you'd like to insert and it will automatically show up in your email. You can add as many emojis as you want to make your message more expressive. Once you're finished, complete your email and hit send. That's all it takes to use emojis in Outlook. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more tips.